This is the DOVOH 360-degree self-leveling outdoor laser level kit, and full disclosure, they did send this to me for a review. Alright, so this thing is pretty sweet. It comes packaged up in a nice plastic hard case. It has a handle so you can easily carry it around. And then opening this up, on the inside there's going to be all of the parts for the kit, and they're all nicely fit inside of this custom cutout piece of foam. Starting off with the main laser level unit here, this has 3 different lasers on it for all 3 planes. To power this, there is this hatch on the bottom. You're going to open that up and then take one of the batteries it comes with. It does actually come with 2 of these, and you just slide that in just like that, then close it, and it's good to go. And each battery can last from 8 to 18 hours depending on how many of these lasers you have on. And then to charge that battery, there's a very convenient USB-C port on the side here, and it does come with a cord and plug for that. But then there is also an external charger. Again, this uses a USB-C plug-in, but this allows you another way to charge up the batteries. But anyway, this thing is IP54 rated waterproof, so it's perfectly fine to use out in the rain, but you do not want to submerge it. And when it comes to mounting this thing, you can of course just set it down on a flat surface, but it does also have a couple other options as well. You can see on the bottom here, there's a couple threaded spots to screw something into. First one here is just your standard 1/4-inch thread, so it'll screw into really any tripod. I believe there is an option to get this kit with a tripod if that is what you want to do. But then the other hole here is for a 5/8 screw. And this comes with 2 different brackets for mounting it. Taking a look at this one, you're going to screw the laser onto there. Screw that into the bottom. You can rotate that around how you need it. And you can move it up and down on this sort of track here, then twist this piece to lock it in place. A little bit awkward to lock it down, but it seems to work all right. And for mounting this up, there's a few different options. There's the same 5/8 threaded insert right there. There's also a sort of keyhole hanger if you want to hang this on a screw. Then up at the top here, there's these 2 screws. So if you slide this over something thin under a 1/4 inch, then you can tighten it onto that. Or if you're working where there's something metal you can stick this to, you can pry this off like that. And then on the back side here, there's a bunch of these magnets. And you can kind of just stick it to something metal, like a metal stud or something like that. And it just sticks right on there. Works pretty well as long as you don't bump into it. And then the next bracket here, a little bit simpler. It has 2 connection ports on the bottom to thread it into something. And what this is for is to make very minor adjustments left and right. You can see turning the screw on the side here, it will kind of turn it that way or that way. But with actually mounting this thing out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at how exactly it works. This is actually very simple to use. It just has the 3 buttons on top here and then this slider on the side. So first off, of course, you're going to want to put the battery in the bottom here, but once you do that, then you can go ahead and turn it on. Just press this button here, hold it down for a couple seconds, and it will turn on. And once you turn it on, that activates the horizontal laser level. You can see there's a button here. If you click that, it will turn the horizontal one off. Click it again, it'll turn it back on. Then of course the button here labeled V will turn on the vertical lasers. There's one of them there, and then there's the second one, or if you click it again, it will have them both on at the same time. And turning on all 3 of the lasers here, each one of them is a 360-degree laser. So it'll project them all the way down to the floor, all the way up to the ceiling, and all the way across your walls. Also taking a look down on the side here, there's that slider there. Right now it's in the lock position. You can see the red lock button there. And when it is locked like it is now, the lasers will rotate however you rotate the device. So you can see they just kind of lock to the device. But then if you do want it to level itself out, then you're going to go ahead and slide that backwards. And now you can see it levels itself out. So if I kind of wobble this, it's going to be a little bit wobbly, and eventually it does level itself out. It looks like that did turn off the vertical line, so let's go ahead and turn those back on. And now you can see you have a horizontal level and 2 vertical plumb lines. And it does have a feature where if it's too out of level, you can see how it is right there, it will start blinking. And then to fix it, you just have to make the unit a little bit more level, and then it's good to go. And I will also mention this does have a remote you can control all of those same features with, but this does also allow you to change the brightness. But anyway, just the main laser unit itself, very handy for indoors or outdoors, lining up your work, making sure everything is leveled out. The 360-degree lasers are very handy since there's nothing interrupting them. Of course, it's pointed at the table there, so it's not going to shine on the wall there. But as long as you have it mounted on a tripod or something where nothing is obstructing the laser, then it will shine all the way across. So yeah, overall that worked pretty well, but with that out of the way, it does come with a couple more accessories. One of those is going to be this target plate, very simple, just a green plastic plate with some different measurements on it. It also has a sort of clip on the back side, and there is also a magnet on the top of this as well. And it does also come with some nice large green laser protective safety glasses, and then a very handy receiver unit along with a bracket to mount that unit. Basically just slides right onto here like this. Then there's this knob on the side you can turn to open or close the jaws. It has a max opening of about 2.5 inches, and basically what this is for mounting it onto one of those extendable measuring sticks. The kit did not come with one, and I don't have one on hand, but it's basically just a long stick, usually plastic, that extends out around 6 to 9 foot tall. And along the stick there are measurements just like a tape measure, and you can kind of clip it onto the stick, and that just helps you level out an area outside, like if you're scraping down dirt or gravel, trying to get it down to grade, make it nice and flat. That is what this is for. Or at least that is the main use for this. Now, taking a look at how this thing actually works, in the back side here, it takes 2 AA batteries. It did come with these. And after those are in here, you can go ahead and turn it on with this center button. And then with this button, you can change, I guess, how precise it is. So you can make it more or less precise. And then the other button here is to turn on the volume, so it will start beeping. You can make it a bit louder as well. But basically how this works is you're going to set your laser up either horizontally like it is here, or it does also work vertically. You just have to turn this sideways like this. And then on the laser or with the remote, you're going to press this button right here, just like that. You can see the blue light there turn on. And now the laser will work with the receiver. And basically how this thing works, you can see the laser shining across there. It basically tries to line that up with the center, which is indicated by these notches on the sides here. And we'll have an arrow pointing down when the laser is too low, so it wants you to move the whole unit down, just like that. And then it will have the up arrow when it wants you to move it up. And then there is also a level indicator up top, just to make sure you have it nice and level so it all works how it should. And if I do go ahead and turn on the sound, you can see when I need to move the unit up, it has a slow beep. And then when I need to move it down, it has a faster beep. And this thing does work pretty well. You can see it's very quick at changing the direction when I go below or above the center line. I will mention that is very handy. You don't always have to look at it. You can just listen to the beeping to let you know which way you need to go. And just a couple more things to mention here, it does have an identical screen on the back side. And then there are a couple of these very powerful magnets on top so you can attach it to metal. Now just for a quick test outside, I am just under 200 feet away from the main laser unit. And the laser itself is basically invisible at this distance in the sun, but you can see the receiver does still work just fine. It's still picking up the laser, and it still functions perfectly as if it were right next to the main unit. But as far as actually being able to see the laser, it was only visible about 30 feet away out in the sun here. And of course, as I mentioned, it is very sunny out, so if it is a bit more cloudy or just not as sunny, then the lasers will be much more visible. And then also for indoors, since it's not as bright, the lasers are still clearly visible at 60 feet. They're still nice and sharp, very easy to see. And they're definitely good for even longer than 60 feet, but that is just the longest stretch in the place that I'm currently at. So that's the longest distance I can measure with it. But yeah, I mean, overall, I am very happy with this kit. It works great. I really like the 360-degree lasers. Makes it very easy to do any sort of layouts, whether you're using it indoors for tile or lining up measurements for walls or boards. Very handy for any sort of construction work indoors. And then it's also very handy for outdoors as well. I like how it comes with the different brackets. The receiver is very handy as well, mainly for outdoors, but it can come in handy for indoors as well. Kind of going along with the batteries, this thing has really great battery life, as mentioned, up to 18 hours. And then it is very handy how you can just charge it right back up with the USB-C port on the side. That just makes it super convenient because pretty much everyone has a USB-C cord. And of course, I do also really like the nice padded, hard case that it comes with. Overall, I think this is an awesome self-leveling 360-degree laser kit.